What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Get and Go gear review. Today I'm showing you this ICECO VL35 ProS single zone 12 volt refrigerator. Let's get right into it. The ICECO VL35 ProS is a 35 liter or 37 quote capacity single zone unit that can be used as a fridge or a freezer with the temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be powered by both 12 to 24 volt DC or 110 to 120 volt AC, and this unit draws about 30 to 45 watts depending on which setting you have it on. Its dimensions are 28 by 1 by 15.9 by 15.7 inches. And it weighs 48.6 pounds. All right, guys, so besides how sexy this unit is, its build quality is fantastic. This whole casing is made out of metal, except for the lid. The lid itself is plastic. It has these hard plastic bumpers on the sides and on the corners, so you won't really get this thing banged up too much if you're throwing it in and out of the rig. It also has these plastic handles with metal grips, and there's you can't really see, but it actually gives you quite a bit of grip on those. And these are plastic and they are removable, so if you're looking to save space, just a simple 2 little screws there will pop them right off, and you can fit her in a lot of tight spots if you needed to. All right, guys, so let's see what's in the box. All right, so first we have our manual. Guys, always read the manual. RTFM. If you don't know what that means, it means read the frickin' manual. Always read the manual. So we have the manual. We have what looks to be our drain plugs for inside the unit. We have our AC cable. Also our DC cable. Here's something a little different. So they give you a couple extra parts for some reason, but I go better than nothing, right? Why not have extra parts? So we have a handle, an extra handle. We have some of these bumpers for the corners, extra bumpers. You get 4 of those. It gives you a couple screws in the actual Allen wrench to be able to install the handle in those. It's cool. That's different. Guys, another really great feature about this is this lid. This lid design is meant to either open up this way, or you can just take the lid right off. How cool is that? So this lid has some serious thick insulation in it. We've got this rubber gasket all around, giving it a great seal. It's as simple as plopping it back on, locking her down. On each side of the unit, we have an exhaust and an intake grill. Back here as well. So keep in mind, you know, when you're storing this unit, that not to really block these, will help the unit run a lot more efficient. All right, so let's have a look inside the unit. All right, guys, so remember, this is a single zone only. It doesn't have any dividers in it or anything, so you can't use it as a fridge and a freezer at the same time like some of them. They do have models out there that they do make dual zone, but this one, again, is just a single zone. So inside, we have this removable basket. So that's pretty cool when you just want to, you know, get your stuff out of the bottom if you wanted to clean it. Down in there, we have our drain plug. And look at this, this metal interior, I guess, would help make it efficient as well. It does have a deep chest style cooler like thing down in the bottom here, so you'd want to keep maybe, you know, the stuff that you want to keep colder down at the bottom. And then also have this little shelf type thing up here where if you just want to keep something separate, it's just easier pack and organize. And again, this might be a little warmer temperature than way down there. Right down in here we have this exposed temperature sensor. Now it's located kind of right in the middle of the fridge, so that'll kind of give you somewhat of an even reading of how this unit's working inside. Now guys, one of my personal favorite features about this unit is this interior LED light. Check it out. Bam. And you probably can't really tell too much. Here, we'll try to get close a little bit. But that actually lights up the whole cooler inside. I know I'm kind of doing this in the daytime so you can't really see, but I think that is just going to be awesome. Again, this little LED right there. So that right there is going to help you out at nighttime when you just want to reach in and grab yourself something quick. You don't have to worry about getting another flashlight digging in there. And guys, another cool thing about that LED light is that as long as there's just power to the unit, the actual unit doesn't have to be on. You probably can't tell because of the screen, but the unit's not on right now. But as long as there's actually power to the unit, that LED light will still come on. How sick is that? So right down here is where we have our easy to use control panel. So all it is just a matter of pressing and holding the power button for a couple seconds. Unit comes on. I've had this unit on for a little bit, so it's actually dropped temperature. So if you can see right up here, you'll have a red cooling light. That means the unit is activated and the compressor is on and it is cooling. On the right hand side here, we have our temperature adjustments. So right now this temperature is reading the actual inside temperature of this unit. So if you wanted it to get warmer, it's simple, pushing it up, or the negative button will turn it down to your desired temperature. I normally like to keep it about 32. So now on the bottom here, we have our max and eco mode. Now this is the compressor speed. So when you're running it on max, that means your compressor will run a lot faster and a lot harder, but it will cool down your system a lot quicker. Now, press and hold, go into eco mode, and once you maintain temperature, you can just keep it on the eco mode, and that'll just maintain your temperature, and the compressor be somewhat calmed down. And over here on the left side, you have your battery monitoring control. So it is a low, medium, and high setting. So if you are running it, say, off your vehicle battery, you could press and hold again, go to medium or a high setting, and then that way this will not let your battery in your vehicle drain. Now, if you're just running this off a separate battery or a power station, simply press and hold, keep it on the low, and then you should have nothing to worry about. Now, down in this section here is where you have all your power ports. So we have our DC power port here. We have our AC power port beside it. And then on this side, you actually have two USB-A ports. So you can charge your phone, cameras, fans, whatever you have, any smart devices. It can actually charge right from this unit directly. Guys, on the back of on the other side of this unit, there is another DC power port. So this will allow you to configure how you want to set it up or the way you want to place it in your vehicle. So you can either charge it from either side, so you don't have to worry about bending or wrapping the cord around anywhere. All right, guys, so one thing I did want to check out is how true the temperature is inside the box as opposed to what it's reading on the side. So I kind of found that to be an issue with one of my last fridges. Again, it was a budget fridge. This one is a little more higher end, I guess you'd say. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn the fridge on, get it up to temperature. I'm going to stick a thermometer inside the fridge, and then we're going to compare the two numbers. So let's see how that works. So guys, here I have my thermometer. I'm going to stick it inside the fridge. I'm going to try to get it located as close to the temperature sensor as possible. I can't really hang it, but temperature sensor's right here. So we're going to let that go for a little bit, and we're going to compare it to the numbers on the side of the unit. Guys, so it says we are at 30 degrees. Our thermometer inside the bottom is reading 32 degrees. So it's pretty close. We're not too far off. So guys, I am very excited to get this unit out and give it a test run. If it's something you guys are interested in, as always, there will be a link down in the description to where you can purchase this. I'll also leave the link to ICECO's website. Again, they have a lot of options. They have quite a few units. So if you want to just kind of shop around and see what they got, the link will be down in the description. So that being said, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notifications button so you don't miss out when we get to actually take this unit out and give it a test run. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.